This week we are at our local auction to give you 5 good used tips on how to find a good used vehicle. Now this is by no means an end-all be-all of auction tips. We have just done a lot of them. This is just to get your feet wet, but you could use these on any used vehicle.
Welcome to this week's episode of Project Sullivan. I'm Gogo.
And I'm Gilbert. I'm thinking we might have some good vehicles here. I kind of snuck a peek as we were driving up. What do you think, Gogo?
I think that there is a lot of cool vehicles here.
A clean engine bay could be that they just take good care with their vehicle. Or it could be that they're trying to hide something. And especially if the rest of the vehicle isn't exactly clean, they're definitely hiding something.
See the last ones though?
Yeah, that turned out pretty nice.
You like that?
Yeah, I didn't know we looked so good on TV.
I try to make you guys look good. The rest you did on your own.
Yeah, right. Okay.
You have a good day. What vehicle would you like to find at an auction? Write in the comments below.
I found a new Workbench, Dad.
Oh yeah, well that's a pretty easy one to build. As you can see, this Workbench is official Jegs.
An MSD.
Straight from the factory. We have a lot of stuff at our local auction. Not just car stuff. Cherry picker and an engine stand. That's the good engine stand. That's the beast right there. What? Tractor with forks.
We're gonna sell it.
I should know what
2,900, 29, last call, 2,900, sold it 2,800.
John Deere. I know nothing about tractors. What about you, Gogo?
Nope.
Sounds like the battery's weak.
6 months, it's only 6 months. All right, that's good enough. All of the paperwork is inside there. We've got the books inside. We've got the receipts and everything else that spent on this tractor, putting it together. This is a 1945. I'm going to give you $37.50. Last call, $37.50. Sold it, $3,500.
Ooh,
Gas brake clutch.
seriously? This is new. I've never seen one of these here.
What is it?
That's a transmission, buddy. That's an engine on there. Let's take a real quick peek here. Oldsmobile. Oh, you know what? I bet you that was meant to go into this. Comes with all kinds of accessories. You got hubcaps even. It's a pretty cool car.
Already halfway there.
I do not know anything about this Olds. I know it's an Oldsmobile. I figure it's an Oldsmobile. I really don't know what it is.
All right, this is a 1956 Oldsmobile. We pretty well got all the parts and everything else with it. We got the motor that was completely rebuilt, bumpers, glass, transmission, everything that they were ready to paint it and everything else. All the parts go with it. All the parts go. Sold it. $12.50.
God, that's cheap.
Ron, what's your number?
I wish I had that money. What in the Model A is going on here?
They said it runs on Facebook.
Ooh, that's an original flathead. Looks like it's all redone too. Well, maybe not, because it's clearly leaking something. I think this is somebody's someday Model A right here. Wheels. Oh, what do we got here? Oh, this is sick too. Oh. You know what those are, right, Gogo? For the Model A.
Sell the Model A now. The chassis has been completely rebuilt. The motor, it runs and everything. So you're buying the whole pack. 46. Let's see how high he'll go. 46. $4,600 now. 46. $4,600 now. 46. We're gonna go 4,600 last call. 4,600. Sold it. 4,500.
Tip 2.
Worn out or tore up interior on a vehicle with low miles is usually a pretty good indicator that the owner didn't maintain the vehicle very well.
Got a box. Oh, looks more like a roach coach. MSD Performance. Officially licensed enclosed trailer from MSD. Actually, Gogo, I think this would fit a race car, but barely.
Not my race car. Neon, maybe.
No, this would fit your race car. Just barely.
Trailer, we'll sell that trailer back there. Okay, on the cargo trailer, it's got a title and everything else. Lot 18. Sold it, $2,300.
Got a motorcycle here. I don't know a lot about motorcycles. Oh, it's a Harley Davidson. Police issue. 6-speed, it says. It says it's a 2008. V-twin, obviously. Pretty good little cruiser. Does not have the mileage. Road King Police.
All right, on the Harley, it's Road King Police Edition. Everything's good on it, just needs a fuel pump. It's got the Interceptor tranny, like most of them's got 5 gears, it's got 6. 2250. Anybody in? 22 and a half? I sold it. $2,000. The car hauler. It'll fit. Anything will fit on it. I don't know if a dually pickup will fit on it, but a goddamn regular pickup will. All right, start me on where. Give me 1,500. 2,600. I told it. $2,500. Battery and a tune-up. Hell, that's cheap enough. All right, start me out where. Give me $1,000. $1,000. I got 1,000. Now 12 and a half. 12 and a half. But now 12 and a half. Now 15. Now 17 and a half, now 2,000. $2,000, 2,000, now 22 and a half, now 25. 25, now 27 and a half. Now 3,000, now 32 and a half. 32 and a half, bid now 32 and a half, now 32 and a half, give me 32 and a half. 32 and a half, bid now 32 and a half. Damn, you could double your money right here, boys. I sold it, $3,000.
Tip number 3.
And if you have the chance to open everything and look in every nook and cranny, you might find some interesting things. You might find a thing of oil, or a thing of tranny fluid, a thing of transmission fluid. And that'll tell you about everything you need to know about the car.
It's a Flair Sportsman 500. Some bits, 3 gears in it, here, there, and gone. Crank that bad boy up, let's listen to it. Hey. It's all there, 2004, got a title, everything. All right, give me 2,000. 41, give me 4,100. I sold it, $4,000.
Got a, looks like 3/4 ton F250. Says it runs. Gooseneck compatible. It's locked up, can't really see inside. The back seat looks really good. Just take that and put it in the front and you'll be ready to go.
All right, we've got a nice Ford pickup here, extended cab. Pretty good pickup. Sounds pretty good. Start me out where, give me 1,500. $1,500 bid now 15, now 15 on the Ford. One time. 18, now 19. $1,900 bid now 19, now 19.
I'm not bidding on nothing. No, not me.
No.
No, I'm not bidding at all. Yeah.
Sold it, $1,800.
When checking the oil, also take the oil cap off and look under it. If you see any milky substances or something wrong, it could be a good indicator that there's coolant in the oil. I don't know what this is either. Aurora.
Been promoted! Now let's check this thing out. Nope, they're locked. But the interior looks pretty cracked. That leather looks pretty cracked.
Got the chrome wheels on a for sale. Says it runs great on the side there.
It's only got 122,000 miles. It's got a lifetime ahead of it. Give me $1,000.
Coming back with the
$1,000 bid now, $1,000 now. I sold it $1,250.
But if we turn to our right over here, we have a Mazda 9. If we just keep following this wonderful car that Mazda built. Oh, it actually opened.
Comes with the custom Walmart hubcaps.
Traction control button, fun button. It may not look like it, but it is 120 degrees in that car, and I'm not stepping foot in there.
What do we got here? Mazda 2011. Damn nice car. Run pretty fast too, I hear.
That's our rotary.
1,500. 1,500. I got 15 now, 1,750 now, 2,000. 2,100. I sold it $2,000.
And if we come over here, we got Plum Crazy. It only needs a little bit of work to run.
All right, what do we got there, Don? Little speedboat? Tasmanian Devils, give me 25. $25 bid now, 25. I sold it $25.
Got a Chevy van here. But the Astro all-wheel drive. Basically a Subaru with 2 pedals. Oh, look, it's got the hand rack so you don't fall over when you are standing in there because there's no chairs. It says it runs and it's a 97. We're good. It's a Vortec. It's all-wheel drive. It's probably a 4.3 liter is my guess.
What they should say right here. 4.3 liter, top left corner. Were the all-wheel drive systems good on these 4.3 liters? I might want to use one for a different project.
You guys look out. We got us a nice, look like an Astro van. Is it a four-wheel drive? All-wheel drive. I'll be damned. I didn't even know they made them like that. All right, start me out with it. Give me $1,000. $1,000 bid now, 1,000, now 1,000. I got 500, now 6. 800. I sold it $700.
F-250. That cab looks very familiar, like the one I have in timeout. But this one's the Work Edition. The Work Edition. 97 as well, so it's a year older than ours. Or newer, from the water department.
Get this white pickup over here started.
Auction turned into a Will It Run.
Give me 500. I got 2, now 3, now, oh, I got 5, now 6. $600 bid, now 6, now 6. Give me 600, now 7. $700 bid, now 7, now 8. $800 bid, now 8, now 8. Give me 1,700. Sold it, $1,600.
The Super Duty Ford. F-250 Super Duty. V8 Power Stroke. XLT. Oh, that thing looks pretty clean on the inside. Pretty clean. 4-door, the best kind. It's not the gooseneck edition, but it is the 3/4 ton. 8 lugger. Off-road, so it's the 4-wheel drive. Runs good. Says it's got 151,000 miles.
Hey, looky there, boys, looky there. All right, on this red pickup, 2011. Runs good, got 151,000 miles on it. Pretty good motor. I got a 6.4, it's got 330,000 miles on it. Did me pretty good. All right, start me out where, give me 5,000. Yeah. Now 6, $6,000 bid, now 6, now 7. You're out, Willard. 9,500. I sold it, $9,000.
All right, now before you turn that camera around, this has been your dream vehicle for how many years?
All right, be still my heart. God, do I need one of these. Even if the bucket's a little clapped out. This is the sifting edition bucket, because it only hauls big rocks, and it's Bobcat name brand.
All right, let's sell the skid steer real quick. Nice skid steer. Lot number 55. All right, we got this Bobcat right here. They just rebuilt the motor. They just spent $4,500 on it, he said. 55, lot number 55. Ready to go to work right there. You spent $4,500 on the motor. Give me 5,000. $5,000 bid, now 5. You got 5, now 6. 7,000. I sold it, $6,000.
Tip 5.
And when checking the vehicle, you want to make sure you look in the coolant reservoir tank. But it could also mean that they've been using stop leak.
Then it's up to you to decide if it's worth taking the risk on it being simple or a head gasket.
So I don't think you'd get aluminum block in this one.
Right. No.
My van wasn't.
It's got the hitch. 2 pop outs. Nice. Oh no, this thing is pretty nice in here.
$120,000 loan, anybody?
I could see that too.
Where would we park it?
2006, got 64,000 miles on it. 3 slide out. Pretty fancy rig right there. That's a party wagon right there. All right, start me out with it. Give me 20,000. $20,000 bid, and I got 20, now 22 and a half. 28,000. I sold it, 27,000.
What do we got here? C50 Chevrolet. Those are the same axles we got on our other truck. C50.
One of the best brands ever built. Chevrolet.
Chevrolet. Oh, it runs.
Cap.
Looks good. It's a dump bed. This is a dump bed. Yeah, buddy.
All right, on this dump truck right here. All right, start me out with it. Give me 1,000. $1,000 bid, now 1,000, now 1,000. Give me $1,000. 700. I sold it, $650.
So, now we have the most exciting vehicle left. We're saving the best for last. When we got
A minivan!
Come down to the Willard Hall auction where you could be the proud new owner of a
Chevy.
What is
Chevy.
it? Come down to the Willard Hall auction where you could be the proud new owner of a 2003
Chevy Vulture.
Chevy Vulture. Venture. Basically a Vulture. Says it runs 122,000 miles. That's basically brand new. Comes with all the goat heads to seed your yard. Ooh, 3,400. That's actually not a bad engine.
Not a good one either.
No, the engine lasts pretty well. It looks like somebody changed the oil for the show. Getting Cinderella ready for the ball. Looks like it might have a little bit of a leak somewhere.
Give me 500. $500 bid now. I got 5 now. See. 1,100. I sold it $1,000.
Right here is one of the cars I have a lot of experience with. One of the first cars I ever drove.
Oh, it's only got 263,000. Oh, it is. This is a LS engine. Okay, it's a 5.3.
Or 6.0.
I don't think it's a 6.0. Yeah, 5.3. That's what I thought. Well, it doesn't look too bad. It's a little more beat up than ours. It's got a bench seat too instead of a 2 captain's chairs. Yep, only 2-wheel drive. All right.
What is that, a 2007? 2007 runs good. 263,000 miles. Air conditioner work? Give me $1,000. Yeah. Now 12 and a half. 12 and a half bid now, 12 and a half now. $2,900 bid now, 29 now, 29. Give me 29. I sold it $2,800.
Bonus tip.
If you find a lot of frayed wire connections or butt connectors or wires that don't go anywhere, that's a pretty good indicator that everything under the hood's pretty well rigged. Looks like it's another 2-wheel drive. It says it runs. Definitely 2-wheel drive. Bump side, forward. 1969. Needs transmission. Half ton. 5 lugs. Looks like it's got a new fuel filter and gas sending unit.
It's an automatic.
So it's probably got the might be the C6 transmission, but I bet you it's a C4 transmission. Comes with a free carpet knife and an outdoor light. Actually, it looks pretty good on the inside. There's the fuel pump. Comes with a free custom heart patinaed locking grip pliers. Oh, it's a F100. I don't know a lot about Fords. It does look like it has the gas tank conversion, or that's just how they did it, because they don't have a gas cap.
That's the parking
Brake release. Time for us to wait and see how this auction goes.
This boy's got a 390 big block. 1969 runs. Start me out with, give me $1,000. Give me $1,000. 1,000. Now 12 and a half. 12 and a half bid now, 12 and a half. Now 12 and a half, give me 12 and a half. Got a 390 big block. $1,300 bid now, 13 now, 13, give me 1,300. I sold it $1,200. Vehicle runs. 2002. Needs a train. Get out of the way, folks. Run them over. Give me all right, give me $1,000. $1,000 bid now, 1,000 now, 1,000, give me 1,000. How about 500? I got 5, now 6. 600. $600 bid now, 6 now, 6. Give me $1,000 bid now, 1,000 now, 1,000. Give me $1,000. $1,000. I sold it $900.
And if you've been watching this long, you might as well subscribe.
And remember, don't wait for opportunity, create it. This week on Project Sullivan, what are we doing, Gogo?
You were not enthusiastic, redo.
Oh, yeah, it's true. Last week's was horrible. I get it.